Tired of drowning in WhatsApp chaos? Let's explore how to tame it for free with Aisensy. First, head over to the Aisensy website. The link is in the description below, and look for the Start Free Trial or a similar button promoting free access. Click on it. Now, fill out the registration form with your name, email address, phone number and create a secure password. Make sure to use a valid email, as you'll need to verify it. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Aisensy. Click on the verification link inside to confirm your account. This is a crucial step. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the Aisensy Dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the Chatbot Builder, message templates, and analytics sections. Your free trial likely gives you limited access to these. Start experimenting with the Chatbot Builder. See how easy it is to create automated responses for common customer inquiries. This will save you tons of time. Explore the pre-made message templates to quickly send out promotional offers, order updates, or customer support messages. Customize them to fit your brand voice. Keep an eye on the analytics dashboard to track your message performance and understand how your customers are responding. This data is invaluable for optimizing your campaigns. Remember, the free trial has limitations. Be aware of the number of messages you can send or the features you can access. Check the Aisensy pricing page for these details. That's it. You're now ready to start automating your WhatsApp communication with Aisensy for free. Explore, experiment, and see if it's the right fit for your business.